In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a manual journal in Zoho Books. This guide is your step-by-step walkthrough to navigating the Zoho Books system efficiently, ensuring that your accounting tasks are both accurate and seamless. Let's get started by directing your attention to Zoho Books' main interface, which is the dashboard. It's your central hub for managing all financial activities in Zoho Books. From this point, it's a straightforward process. The next move is to locate and click on the section labeled Accountant. This section serves as a gateway to a variety of accounting features, and what we're specifically interested in today is the manual journals function. Within the accountant section, you will need to find the manual journals link. Clicking on this will open up the manual journal entry interface. At the top, you'll notice an option to create new journal. Selecting this will bring up a new window where you'll input the details of the journal entry you intend to make. The first thing to set is the date. Carefully choose the correct date for your transaction, as this will impact your financial records. Next, move on to the journal / field. This is crucial as it helps uniquely identify this journal entry within your accounting records. You might also consider adding a reference / for additional identification, especially if you're dealing with transactions related to specific invoices or external documents. Now it's time to add some context with notes. Notes are beneficial for providing further explanation or justification for the journal entry and are a handy reference for anyone reviewing your financials in the future. The next field to tackle is the reporting method. Here you can define how this journal entry will be recorded based on your fiscal policy or reporting needs. Following this, you'll need to decide on the currency. This is especially important if you're dealing with international transactions, where currency conversion might come into play. After setting the currency, navigate to the account selection by clicking on Account. This section is where you specify which accounts will be affected by the journal entry. Ensure that you select the correct accounts, as this will affect your financial statements directly. Finally, after all the entries have been meticulously reviewed and confirmed for accuracy, locate the Save and Publish button. Clicking this will finalize your manual journal entry, ensuring it's saved within Zoho Books and reflected in your financial records. By following these steps, you've now successfully posted a manual journal in Zoho Books, contributing to the precision and integrity of your overall accounting process. Remember, a carefully managed system is key to maintaining accurate and organized business finances.